think Canva is just for basic designs. Think again. There are hidden apps inside Canva that can completely transform your designs. From AI powered tools to dynamic animations, these apps can take your work to the next level. Stick around, because I'm about to show you the secret tools every designer needs to know about. The first app we're going to look is Frame Maker. It is a free app that lets you generate custom frames. Here, I will create a new design. You can see more details on the left-hand side. For this video, we will just pick a random frame and customize it. You can drag and adjust the points to change the shape of the frame. You can pretty much morph it into anything your heart desires. I just wish they'd let you pop your image in first before picking the shape. Wouldn't that be handy? But hey, a little tinkering and you'll be a shape-shifting pro in no time. Once you have finalized the frame, click on Add to Design. Now upload your preferred image and that's it. You can now see that the image fit in the frame we created. Second app is Image Upscaler. It is an app that helps you to enhance the resolution of your image using AI. We'll select either Use in Existing Design or Use in New Design. I'm going to select Use in New Design. It'll take a quick second to load. Now upload the image you want to enhance. It is showing that your image is already in high resolution, but we will test it out. Click on the upscale resolution you want and click on Upscale button. It will take some time to upscale the image. Now you can see that the image is upscaled. I don't know whether it is visible in the video or not. I can see that the image was upscaled. The image I uploaded is slightly blurry when compared with the upscaled image. Now you can add this image to your design. The third app is Neon Artist. It is an app that generates stunning and eye-catching images that are in neon theme. As expected, I'm sticking with the classic YouTube thumbnail size. If it ain't broke, why resize it? In the description tab, type the description of the image you want to generate and click on Generate Image. Here I am using the example version. It will take few seconds to generate the image. You can see the image generated in the neon theme. The next app is called Colorizer. Basically, this is an app that adds vibrant color to the black and white images and make it look modern. Click on the Choose file and upload any black and white image and click on Colorize Image. It takes a few seconds to generate the image. As you can see, it generated some color to the black and white image, although not as vibrant and colorful as the original image, so it has some drawbacks. Next app on the list, Cartoonist. It's another AI tool that allows you to create cartoon-style images using your own custom prompt. Canva only gives you 4 credits per day you can use with this app for free. So, give a quick think about what you'd actually like to generate before you do, and then enter the prompt in the box. It gives you an option to use an additional credit to remove the background, but do not waste your credits on this. Canva has a built-in tool to do this already, and you can use it unlimited times. To finish up this app, it created a pretty great version of a royal police officer, which you could cut out and use as a larger part of your overall image. Next up is Ultra Real. Like Cartoonist, it is a free app that allows you to create hyper-realistic images from your own prompts. Describe the image you want to create and click on Generate Image. I am again using the example description here. Also, you need to note that some of the apps takes credits. Here it is showing I have 2 credits left. Once the credits are finished, it will refill again tomorrow. As you can see, the wine glass successfully generated. This app does live up to its name, as it does look realistic. Moving on to the next item on our list, font frame. It's one of my favorites I had only just learned about recently. Font frame allows you to easily create text with an image background without any extra work. This is particularly useful for print on demand designs. You can see the font frame there. You can select different types of fonts here. I am selecting Montserrat font here. Select the image you want to upload. Once you have uploaded the image, you can see the text updated here. You can also adjust the border colors, border weight, text alignment, letter spacing and line spacing here. If you've made it this far, let me know in the comments which has been your favorite so far. Also, don't forget to smash the like button. There are so many customizations for spacing and alignment, so be sure to play around with them and find the perfect fit. You can also adjust the zooming of the image here. Once everything is finalized, click on Add to Design. That's it, you are done. You have successfully created the text with image background. The next app is Coloring Book. Also, you need to note that you need to type the exact name in the search box. Sometimes it won't show the app in the list, even if you add extra space in the name. Basically, Coloring Book is an app that turns your text descriptions into coloring books where you can show your coloring skills. Now, write the description and click on Generate Image. It will take a few seconds to generate the image. It generated the image using the prompt I have provided. But this is not the exact prompt I have provided, it missed some elements. I think if you provide a simple prompt, it will generate good designs. The next app is Image Animate. It is an app that transforms your still photos in captivating videos. What you need to do is just write a simple prompt. First, you need to add the image to the template. For this example, I'll select the image I generated earlier in this video of the Royal Police Officer. Now, once you have added the image, you can see the image in the video frame. Write your prompt in the prompt box on what you'd like the character in your image to be doing. You can also have the option to select motion types from the options provided there. For now, I am using AI Motion. You can also select the AI tools from the list available. I am selecting Auto option for now. In the video settings, you can adjust motion range, motion length, and number of loops. Once everything is finalized, click on Generate and wait for some time. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to generate the video. You can now see that the photo is converted into video according to the prompt we provided. Perfect. It got a bit of movement to add life to the image that could now be used as part of a video if you wanted. The last and the final app is Image ACI. It is a wonderful app that creates unique and artistic representation of your images with ACEI Art Generator. Click on Choose Image and upload the desired image you want to create. Once you have uploaded the image, it starts acifying the image. You can see the acified image generated here. That's all for today. These are the top 10 Canva apps that are free to use. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.